बोले श्री राजा रामचंद्र की जय. Our Shakti Jagadamba Mata ki jai. Devotees, welcome to each of you. You have joined us here this evening as we celebrate Durga Navami, Ram Navami celebrations. Blessings. You have fasted, you have made your preparations, you have worshipped. We will, at this point in time, join together as we glorify these two main aspects of divinity, Bhagwan Sri Ram and Devi Ma. Just those who would come in a bit late, they will perform their puja at the end. So we'll have, at this point in time, we ask everybody to concentrate and let's glorify the divine. Let me say blessings to those parents who have brought their little girl children, those little Devis, to be honored and worshipped here this evening. And to those of you who perform such a puja, Kanya Puja, as sanctioned by Devi Bhagavad, we commend you for it and we say blessings to you. Now, before I go further, many people have been asking when the Navratram comes to an end. When will it end? Now, Navratram is going to finish. Now, Navami Tithi is going to finish sometime around 5:21 tomorrow morning. So if people want to wake whole night and fast until 5:21 and break your fast, feel free to do so. Otherwise, you can break your fast tonight. Now, Navratri, it has 8 nights in this period of time, 8 days, because one day is a chai. It is counted as a day, but it's a non-existent period of time. So time and again, based upon calculations, this does happen, where we have 8 nights instead of 9 nights, because of a chai, that non-existent period of time, as we call it. So for all intents and purposes, the Navratri period is coming to an end. As I suggested, if people would want to fast for 9 nights because you know it's Navrat, well, fast tomorrow night also is up to you. But I'm saying that tomorrow is Vijayadashami, the Navratri effectively has come to an end. Okay? So the Navami day, when we do Ram Navami, that is the last day in the Navratri. Today is Ram Navami and also Durga Navami. So devotees, some of you who have made sacrifices throughout, you can break your fast tonight, and there is nothing wrong with that. Or if you want, it's up to you to wait until tomorrow morning if you want to complete the Navami Tithi. Though I don't see any reason for so doing. Okay? Okay, so devotees, what we'll do at this point in time, I want to also welcome, I know that we have been streaming live on Gyan Deepak's website, also Swaha, and YouTube channel. So I know we may have viewers there. I want to welcome you especially and to say it's a pleasure to have you joining together with us. And the streaming is being done especially for your sakes, for your benefit, for those of you who can't be here. And I know we have many who are from United States, Canada, wherever you may be. We are very pleased that you can join together with us. And we invite you to keep on joining together with us. Once as possible, we'll be streaming live for your benefit. Okay? Those who are here will become part of it live, and those who are unable to be with us here, you can join us on the website. Facebook. Okay? It's a pleasure to have you. Welcome to you also. So devotees, what we will do at this point in time, puja has been completed by Pandit Umesh, and all you devotees have made your offerings. We have had bhajans, kirtan in the meantime. So we are going to continue now with Pandit Umesh, who will do 2 bhajans for us. I asked him to do a little bit more, but he said too good. Yeah. I guess he's quite tired, starting from since quite 5 o'clock. So we will have 2 bhajans from Pandit Umesh, and we will do a short discourse, and we will conclude for the evening. So let's join Pandit Umesh as he glorifies the aspects of divinity.
परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा, जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा, जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा।
जय दुर्गा जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा।
जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा, जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा। हे माता विश्वमोहिनी, देवी जगदम्बा। हे माता विश्वमोहिनी, देवी जगदम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा, जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा। आनंद रूपिणी माता भवानी देवी जगदम्बा। आनंद रूपिणी माता भवानी देवी जगदम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा, जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा। परमेश्वरी जय दुर्गा, जगदीश्वरी जय अम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। जय दुर्गा जय दुर्गा, महामाया जगदम्बा। महामाया जय बोले सियार शक्ति दुर्गा माता की। रामा हो रामा चैत अयोध्या, चैत अयोध्या, राम जी जन्म मिले हो रामा हो रामा। घर घर बाजला, घर घर बाजला रे बधैया हो रामा। रामा हो रामा, रामा हो रामा चैत अयोध्या, चैत अयोध्या, राम जी जन्म मिले हो रामा हो रामा। घर घर बाजला, घर घर बाजला रे बधैया हो रामा। रामा हो रामा, रामा हो रामा। रामा हो रामा सोने की तबकिया, रामा हो रामा सोने की तबकिया, रामा निहबावे हो रामा हो रामा, रामा निहबावे हो रामा हो रामा। सखी सब दलले हो निछ बहु रामा, सखी सब दलले हो निछ बहु रामा, सखी सब दलले हो निज बहु रामा। रामा हो रामा चैत अयोध्या, राम जी जन्म मिले हो रामा हो रामा। रामा हो रामा। रामा हो रामा को सखी दलली हो, रामा हो रामा को सखी दलली हो। अंगूठी मुड़ दिया हो रामा हो रामा, अंगूठी मुड़ दिया हो रामा हो रामा। कोई सखी दलले हो रतन पदारथ, कोई सखी दलले हो रतन पदारथ, कोई सखी दलले हो रतन पदारथ। रामा हो रामा चैत अयोध्या, राम जी जन्म मिले हो रामा हो रामा। रामा हो रामा। रामा हो रामा कके जे दलले, रामा हो रामा कके जे दलले। अंगूठी मुद दिया हो रामा हो रामा, अंगूठी मुद दिया हो रामा हो रामा। कौशल्या जी दलले हो रतन पदारथ, कौशल्या जी दलले हो रतन पदारथ, कौशल्या जी दलले हो रतन पदारथ। रामा हो रामा चैत अयोध्या, राम जी जन्म मिले हो रामा हो रामा। रामा हो रामा, रामा हो रामा, रामा हो रामा।
Jai Sri Raja Ramachandra ki Jai. Devotees, now we have worshipped Devi Ma, and as I mentioned, the Navaratri is coming to an end. Today is Durga Navami. So I would like you to concentrate on Adi Shakti Jagadamba Ma, any aspect of Devi, whether Durga Lakshmi, Saraswati, Kali Ma, same primordial energy personified. And we appeal to her, Suno Meri Devi, He Parbat Bhasini, Tera Par Na Paya. We have made sacrifices in your name, O Devi. Accept our offerings. Within our limitations, we have worshipped you. Bring fulfillment into our lives. We will be seek such fulfillment, O Ma. O suno meri Devi, O Parvat Basini, Tera par na paya. Suno meri Devi, अरे सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया सुनो मेरी देवी हे पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल पान सुपारी ध्वजा नारियल ले तेरी भेंट चढ़ाया ओ ले तेरी भेंट चढ़ाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी हे पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी सुआ चोला तेरे अंग विराज सुआ चोला तेरे अंग विराज केशर तिलक लगाया हे केशर तिलक लगाया ओ सुनो मेरी देवी हे पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरे द्वारे ब्रह्मा वेद पढ़े तेरे द्वारे शंकर ध्यान लगाया हे शंकर ध्यान लगाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी ओ पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी नंगे पग तेरे आगे आया नंगे पग तेरे आगे आया सोने का छत चढ़ाया सोने का छत चढ़ाया ओ सुनो मेरी देवी हे पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बनयो दीवालो ऊंचे ऊंचे पर्वत बनयो दीवालो नीचे शहर बसाया अरे नीचे शहर बसाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्ये सतयुग त्रेता द्वापर मध्ये कलियुग राज सवाया हे कलियुग राज सवाया हे सुनो मेरी देवी ओ पर्वत बासिनी तेरा पार न पाया सुनो मेरी देवी धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती धूप दीप नैवेद्य आरती मोहन भोग लगाया हे मोहन भोग लगाया ओ सुनो मेरी देवी हे हे पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया। धानु भगत में या तेरे गुण गावे, धानु भगत में या तेरे गुण गावे, अरे धानु भगत में या तेरे गुण। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु सदा रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु बुद्धि रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु दया रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शांति रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु सिद्धि रूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु मातृरूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु सर्वरूपेण संस्थिता, नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः। नमस्तस्यै मां, नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। धानु भगत में या तेरे गुण गावे, अरे धानु भगत में या तेरे गुण गावे, धानु भगत में या तेरे गुण गावे। मन वांछित फल पाया, हे मन वांछित फल पाया, ओ मन वांछित फल पाया। हे सुनो मेरी देवी पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया। हे सुनो मेरी देवी हे पर्वत वासिनी तेरा पारन पाया। Devotees, some people worship Devi Ma by offering animals. I agree, but not in the way that they do it. You see, devotees, we all possess animalistic qualities: hate, anger, lust, greed, jealousy, conceit, arrogance, etc. So when people offer an animal, that physical animal, I am saying that that animalistic quality inside of us, we should offer that. Sacrifice that, give it up. Not the hog, not the goat, etc. So I'm coming to the point, we all have these animals inside of us. It's difficult to sacrifice all at one point in time. Which animal are you willing to sacrifice tonight? Which one? You have to ask yourselves, You are making the sacrifice. So we have worshipped Devi for 9 days, and I'm asking you to make an animal sacrifice. Not a goat, not a hog, not a fowl cock as people say. I'm asking you to offer any one of these: hate, anger, lust, greed, jealousy, etc. Are you prepared to make that sacrifice? I leave it up to you and Devi to decide which animal you're offering to her. Understand what I'm saying to you. This is not a joke. It's not blind rituals. So the animal that we need to offer is that one inside of us. Is it the hog? The hog of arrogance? What is it? You decide. But every one of us has that animal or some animals inside of us. It makes no sense offering the animal on the outside and the one inside still grunting. If you understand what I mean. I consider that to be a certain degree of hypocrisy. Blindness, not understanding why you do what you do. So we all offer animals, I would like to hope and believe, but we offer the animal of the internal, the lower tendencies. So I can't ask you, I'm not going to ask you which one you will offer, which one you will offer, which one you will offer. I want you to sit quietly right now in your own minds and reflect. Which one is troubling you the most? Is it anger? Is it hate? Is it greed? Is it lust? Which one is it? Now you have to know it, you know. And I'm asking you to sacrifice that to Devi. Give it up. Give it up. And if you can do that, and every Navaratam you fast, every time you worship Devi, you offer an animal to her in this form. You know where you're going to reach? You know where you're going to reach? Only you will know if you do it. So devotees, I invite you to join me to collectively glorify Devi. Remember what I am saying to you. We have made sacrifices, self-sacrifice. And I'm asking you, the coconut, you have done it nice, no problem. But I'm asking you to sacrifice that inner animal which creates problems for us. So you decide. If we can get rid of these animals, Devi in the form of Kundalini is awakened. She's awakened. And she sports with Shiva. So we go that way, we try to awaken her. Jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani. Jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani.
Jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani.
Jagat udharini Mata Durga, Jagat udharini ma.
Jagat udharini Mata Durga, Jagat udharini.
So jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani.
Jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani.
He Gauri Devi Rana Chandi Devi,
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 He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
Jago Jagadu Dharini ma.
jago jago dhari ma,
Jago Jagadu Dharini ma.
jago jago dhari ma.
So jago jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani.
Jago ma, jago jago ma, jago jago ma janani.
He Durga Devi, He Kali Devi,
He Durga Devi, He Kali Devi,
He Lakshmi Devi, He Sharda Devi,
He Lakshmi Devi, He Sharda Devi,
He Gauri Devi, Rana Chandi Devi,
He Gauri Devi, Rana Chandi Devi,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
He Shiva Ramana jago ma,
He Shiva Ramana jago ma.
हे शिवरमणा जगो माँ
जगो जगदुधारी
जगो जगदुधारी
जगो जगदुधारी
जगो जगदुधारी
जगो जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जननी
जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जननी
जगो जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जननी
जगो जगो माँ जगो जगो माँ जननी
जगत उधारिणी माता दुर्गा जगत उधारिणी माँ बोले सियार शक्ति जगदम्बा माता की जय. So devotees, I just want you to bear in mind as you continue to worship Devi, not only for Navrat but for other times, remember one of the main objectives is to get rid of these inner animals. Think about it. Get rid of them. Kama krodhau, lobha mohau, mad matsarya sangyakau. Devi Ma told her to Himalaya, this is what she wants us to do. She doesn't need the blood. She doesn't need the physical animal. That blood symbolizes self-sacrifice, which we need to make as we get rid of these inner animals. Reflect upon it, work on it. Those who can work upon it, understanding that it's not just blind rituals we do, you are going to reach somewhere. Then Devi worship will have some meaning for you. Navrat will have deeper meaning for you. It's something that you have to achieve. And you know what? You have to sacrifice. Devi doesn't sacrifice it for you. You have to make that sacrifice. Too many of us are lazy. Oh Ma, help me get rid of anger. Oh Ma, help me get rid of lust. You think Ma had time to waste with you? You have to make that effort. That is the blood she's asking for, the self-sacrifice she's asking for. But too many people, devotees, take easy way out and they kill the poor animal. And the animal inside, strong and powerful, more powerful than before. So let's not be hypocritical. Let's understand what Navrat is all about. Okay? Navratra. Devotees, I wouldn't take too much time on explaining all these things in length. Let's come to Sri Ram, Maryada Purushottam. They said the Lord, Sri Ram, he represents spiritual perfection. Now, could you attain spiritual perfection when you're always eating up yourself? Always angry, always grinding up. You have hate, you have lust, you have greed. You can ever reach Sri Ram? Perfection? Now devotees, notice, you fast for the Navratra and the last day, Ram Navami, Sri Ram is born. I wonder if you can understand what I'm trying to tell you here. When you make the sacrifices and sacrifice these animals, then perfection takes root. True spirituality takes root within the heart. Ram Navami. Then you can experience bliss and ecstasy. You see, devotees, I like people to understand why you're doing what you're doing. Not that I'm a Hindu and I need to maintain Navratra. Whether you do Navratra or you don't do Navratra, it doesn't do anything to Devi. Devi is unaffected. She is Purnata. We are the ones who have shortcomings and we need to better ourselves. So when I do these things, it is for myself. Satya hai. As they say, when you're talking and somebody sees you're talking the truth. Yeah. Devotees, this is something we need to understand. I want you to guard against mechanical worship. There must be an objective. And not just purely material for house, land, money and so on. The objective is to get rid of impurities and attain to the state of perfection. This is what Navratra is all about. So if I were to ask you, many years now we have been doing Navratra Vrat. Many years. Some of us 65, 66, going on strong. And every year, 2 Navratra we fasting. How many animals have we sacrificed so far? I won't tell you, but you have to know, if any at all. This is why I'm drawing your attention to this fact. How can we gain perfection when these animals running rampant over the body? So who can do it? He will climb beyond the rut of this universe. Who cannot do it will become stuck like top spinning in mud. But some point in time you have to come out. You have to come out. So I like to emphasize that this is a personal journey that you are on. A journey that we all need. Every person needs it. Otherwise you cannot survive in life successfully. So Sri Ram, perfection. A thought just crossed my mind. Should we really celebrate the birth of Sri Ram? Based upon the meaning I've just put to it. That I have overcome my negativities. And now I am in a state of spirituality. Spirituality had been born in me. Is it true? Should we celebrate? We will celebrate. But I just want you to follow what I'm saying to you. It's nice to make all these sacrifices, but when you get to the inner part of it, you understand what you're doing. As a man thinketh, so he become it. You really lift yourself to high levels devotees, which is what I've been trying to tell you, where I want you to go. I want you to go there. Sri Ram devotees promised to manifest himself. It is said, the Devatas, all the holy ones, the Bhaktas, were terrorized by Ravan, that evil-minded king Ravan.